Traveling Thailand by bus. It's cheap, but it can be even cheaper with the right hacks. Whether you're headed to Chiang Mai, Phuket, or doing a visa run to Laos, these 5 tips will save you money, time, and stress. Many travelers overpay by booking through agents or tourist shops. To save money and hassle, go to the official counters at terminals like Mo Chit 2 or the Southern Terminal. Use trusted platforms like 12Go, Asia, or the Transport Co site. Here's an example of the price difference I found for a bus ticket from Bangkok to Chiang Mai. Quick screen recording of the different prices from various booking sites show how much you can save by booking direct. Let's go! If this helped you plan smarter, hit that like button. Got a bus hack of your own? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more real Thailand travel tips every week. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Tip 1. Book direct. Avoid middlemen. Tip 2. Choose the right terminal. Pack snacks from 7-Eleven or a local market. Bring water, but avoid too much. You'll thank me later. Here are some clips of the food court and street food clips near the terminals. Make sure to get your hands on some delicious local eats before you board. Many tourists waste time and money using the wrong station. Mo Chit 2 equals north and northeast. Ekamai equals eastern Thailand. Pattaya, Ko, Chiang, Mai equals southern routes. Krabi. Here's a quick map of Bangkok with icons of each terminal. Get it right the first time? They're mostly used by Thai passengers and have less markup. Sometimes they're less comfortable, but more real. Here's a quick pro-con visual comparison. Tourist bus vs. local bus. You can usually find the same route with different bus companies. Use apps like Roam to Rio, 12Go, Asia, or Google Maps to compare times and prices. Tip 3. Overnight buses save you a hotel night. Save big by sleeping on the bus. First class and VIP buses are surprisingly clean and comfortable with reclining seats. Choose routes like Bangkok Chiang Mai or Bangkok Krabi at night. Bring a travel pillow, light blanket, and snacks. Here are some clips inside a VIP bus with commentary on the comfort and cost. If you sleep through the night, you'll feel refreshed and arrive ready to explore. Tip 4. Eat before you go. Food at bus stops is often overpriced or low quality. Eat local street food before you leave. Tip 5. Travel like a local. Tourist buses are pricier and often slower. Local interprovincial buses are more authentic and budget-friendly. And here's a quick summary to help you remember. Book direct. Right terminal. Overnight bus. Eat smart. Ride local. Now showing. Top 5 things to know about riding taxis in Bangkok. Click to watch now.